Hey guys, it's Miss Britt here. I'm going to use this video to teach y'all how to navigate around Voki's website and create your own avatar. So we are going to start right here. We're going to try it because it is free, but since it's free, it is limited with what we can do. So let it load. Okay, so here we're going to start at step 1, create your own avatar. So we're going to customize our character. They have all of these different options, male or female. I think we're going to do female. And VIP would be if you have the money for the package. But right now, we're going to do female. And then you can change her hair. Let's let her have blonde hair. And then we can change her lips. So you can literally change everything about your avatar. You can make it look like you can make it look nothing like you. They have costumes and clothing. You can really just create your own avatar. Put some bling on her. Let's put some sunglasses on her. Alright, so after you've customized your avatar, go ahead and click done, and then you can give it a voice by the phone. You can record by the phone. You can text it, which is what we're going to do, or you can use a microphone. So we're going to text some speech, and all you have to do is just text it in. My name is Miss Britt, and I am looking forward to the rest of this. Okay, and you can give her an accent. We'll just do English, and then you can pick all of these different voices. So Julie sounds like a nice person. We'll just do that. Okay, so you press done, and then you can even go to backgrounds and put any setting you want her to be in. They have so many different settings: fantasy, outdoors. I think this is pretty cool that we do outdoors. Now I want to go to one other thing. I forgot to show you that I clicked the category right here, but you can go and do an avatar as an animal. I've done that before. I've done this little guy right here, and it's really cute. You can do anime, you can do edgy, like there are so many different categories you can pick. And I kind of just picked what it was on, but there are so many different categories for you to choose from. Okay, so now that we are all done creating my Voki, we're gonna go ahead and play it.
My name is Miss Britt, and I'm looking forward to the rest of the semester.
So Voki is so cool because you can do text to speech and then create your own avatar and hear your avatar saying what you just typed in. So that's why I'm excited to use this digital tool this semester in our classroom, because we will be using Voki a lot throughout the semester with character assignments. We'll be reading a couple of novels this semester in which I will assign you a character and you will create a Voki for that character and show it to the class. And then I also want you to introduce yourself to me and your other classmates through Voki. So I want you to create your own avatar that looks like you, or it can be an animal if you want it to be your cat or your dog. Um, but I want you to learn how to use this website and this tool because it's just so fun and so engaging. Um, Now, if I were to want to publish this, um, you can publish it online and share it with people. Um, and you can share it through Facebook or Twitter. And Twitter is another digital tool we'll be using this semester. And even just Google if you just wanted to email it to your mom or your sisters or whatever. So, um, yeah. So I hope this video tutorial was beneficial to y'all, and I am very excited for you to create your own Voki and introduce yourselves to me and the rest of your classmates. So I will see y'all next week. Bye, guys.